everybody, how you doing? I'm just coming on to give you the heads up that next Saturday is our home tour collaboration for spring and Easter. Can you believe it? Next week. So anyone that's interested, just leave me a message in the description box below, okay? And you can put up your video anytime that day. There isn't a set time. So anyone that's interested, make sure and let me know. And this will be a lot of fun. These home tour collaborations are fun for everyone that participates, as well as everyone that gets to see everyone's beautiful homes and the way that you decorate. I'm getting really, really excited about this. So thanks again, guys. And remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.